Good day, Justin Brazil here. Today, again, we will be talking about the cardiorespiratory endurance. But right now, we will be sliding into the primary objectives or the learning objectives at the end of this lesson. First is to understand the concept and importance of cardiorespiratory endurance in maintaining overall physical health. Basically, understanding the basic concepts and the importance of these basic content concepts pertaining to the cardiorespiratory endurance. Next is to identify the exercises and benefits that improve cardiorespiratory endurance. We will try to identify, but in my lesson, I will be giving it to you. I've provided 3 examples of exercises that we could do in our everyday lives to, of course, reduce chronic disease or diseases, or also to enhance our physical fitness. Next, we have here the cardiorespiratory endurance. In its definition, it refers to the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen to muscles during continuous physical activity. So this is the ability of the heart and the lungs. So from that part, masasabi nating importante na healthy talaga yung heart and lungs natin so that they can supply sapat na oxygen, sufficient oxygen to the muscles, tissues, into parts of our bodies. Bakit? For example, in a continuous physical activity, or sabihin na lang natin na vigorous activity. So we are not used to it. Anong nangyayari sa atin? Madali tayong mapagod. Kasi hindi tayo sanay sa mga ganong ginagawa eh. So yung nangyayari doon, hindi nakakapag-supply ng oxygen, ng sapat na oxygen, yung heart and lungs natin, na we tend to be exhausted very early. So this is, according to the definition, this is also an important indicator of physical health. Of course, malalaman natin kung yung endurance level mo ba ay nasa positive or negative. What do I mean by this? Positive, of course, kung nasa magandang state yung level ng endurance mo, or negative or hindi magandang state yung endurance na need mo i-improve. So, kailangan natin dito sakto lang. Hindi mataas, hindi rin mababa. Cardio relates to the heart, and respiratory refers to the lungs. So, from that definition, the cardio refers to the heart, and respiratory refers to the lungs. So these are, when we combine this, it is basically the functioning here of the heart and the lungs. One of the things that I can share with is that kapag po mas used tayo sa mga activities, like in a vigorous activities, like we do exercise, normal yung ginagawa nating exercise, we're used to it, yung nangyayari po ay mas maraming energy po yung naibibigay neto, or mas maraming oxygen na ibibigay, mas marami yung energy na nagagawa or na ilalabas mo, and so that hindi ka kagad napapagod. Next, we have here the endurance level. Just like what I've said earlier, it could be a positive or a negative. Positive means it could be an average level, it could be above average level, or it could be a negative one. Below positive na po yan, which means need po natin ng improvement. Kaya po wag po tayong maging kampante sa ating level ng endurance natin. Kapag bumababa, then we exercise. We do exercise daily. We eat. We do the things that we normally do. Next is, we have here these are the positive impacts of a positive endurance lever, we have here the efficiently move blood, delivering effectively oxygen to cells and fuels muscles and tissues for energy. Of course, just like what I've said earlier, kapag po mas masapat, mas marami yung nasusupply ng oxygen, nangyayari po mas marami pong energy yung ilalabas mo, and you tend to not be exhausted very early at the time. And also, this has to do with the principles in health, or in a physical health, or in physical activity. Next is we have here the exercises to improve cardiorespiratory endurance.
It's beginning to look a lot like last Christmas. Simply having the most wonderful time. Let it snow, chestnuts roasting, jingle all the way. Santa baby, it's cold outside. Step into Christmas, all I want for Christmas is you. Feed the world. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Oh, holy night, baby, please come home. Silent night, God rest you merry gentlemen. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up on the housetop, do you hear what I hear? Where are you, Christmas? Silver bells, Feliz Navidad. On the first day of Christmas, I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Frosty the snowman, up-a-bum-bum. The best time of the year. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth.
On it. Let's see. Benefits. First, it improved cardiovascular, heart, and lung health. Just like what I've said earlier, balik-balik lang po ito, na yung heart and lung mo ay mas better. Hindi na siya napapagod kaagad. Hindi na siya just like when you are in a negative condition, na kapag kahit ilang ikot lang or ilang gawi lang, ikaw ay napapagod kaagad. So, of course, these help to improve the heart and lung health. Next, we have here the better cardiorespiratory exercise performances. Of course, kapag po practice, or when you are practicing daily and you are normalizing these activities or exercises, nangyayari po is that you are going beyond the normal of your exercise times. For instance, you tend to exercise from 25 minutes, and then sa ilang days na used na practice mo sa mga exercises or activities, could be a vigorous, moderate, naging used ka na po. It's in a sense na extend na po yung time. For example, 25 minutes, nagiging 35 minutes na, nagiging 45 minutes na. That's it. Next is we have here the lowered risk of developing chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Just like what I've said earlier from the very beginning, lahat po ng ginagawa natin para sa ating body, we gain benefit on it. Lalo na kapag ito ay focusing mainly on our physical or mental health. So, we gain benefits just like this. Lowered risk of developing chronic conditions, which could be very helpful, of course, for us. Kasi kapag magkasakit ka, may problema ka na. Kapag mag-exercise ka, healthy ka pa, wala ka pang problema, that's it. We also have here the improved fitness and physical function and stress reduction. So I do believe that it has to affect our mental condition, of course, na babawasin yung stress natin, and also it improved our fitness and physical function. So in this lesson, that would be all, and thank you for your attention. If you have questions on today's lesson, you can email me or Gmail me at justinbrazil512@gmail.com, or you can call me at my number. Thank you so much po, and I hope you've learned something enough from this video. Thank you.